Surah question from chapter 7 verse 32.
Verse number 33.
32.
A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Ya bani Adama khuzu zinatakum inda kulli masjidin wa kulu washrabu wa la tusrifu innahu la yuhibbul musrifin. O children of Adam, take your adornment at every time and place of worship.
Is it the same?
Chapter 7.
Chapter 7
This is chapter 7, Al-Araf.
verse 32.
Yes.
قد خسر الذين كذبوا
قد خسر الذين كذبوا بلقاء الله.
Chapter Surah Al-Araf.
الأعراف.
This is Surah Al-Araf, verse
Yes, it
32.
is also showed حتى إذا جاءتهم الساعة بغتة.
Please?
Maybe chapter 6.
What is wrong?
I don't know.
Maybe the reference is wrong.
The reference is wrong,
Yeah.
perhaps. Read the verse and we'll
Yes,
just...
we will find out.
He'll already get the verse.
What is it?
قد خسر الذين كذبوا بلقاء الله حتى إذا جاءتهم الساعة بغتة قالوا يا حسرتنا على ما فرطنا فيها وهم يحملون أوزارهم على ظهورهم ألا ساء ما يزرون.
This reference is wrong. The verse is right, you're reading, but the reference is wrong.
قد خسر الذين كذبوا بلقاء الله.
Yes.
Surah Al-An'am 31.
الأنعام.
Allah naam.
6:30.
You said 31?
32.
Yes,
The number is wrong, also wrong, the surah is also
The
wrong.
counting we count Bismillah and that's why.
Achha, yes.
Yes. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. قد خسر الذين كذبوا بلقاء الله حتى إذا جاءتهم الساعة بغتة قالوا يا حسرتنا على ما فرطنا فيها وهم يحملون أوزارهم على ظهورهم ألا ساء ما يزرون.
Right.
Translation is, those indeed are the losers who deny the meeting with Allah, so much so that when the hour shall come on them unawares, they will say, over grief for our neglecting this hour, and they shall bear their burdens on their backs. Surely evil is that which they bear.
People normally deny the prophets.
Beg your pardon?
People normally deny the message of the prophets. So what is meant here by كذبوا بلقاء الله?
See, that applies to every individual who dies. Or this challenge is just meaningless. Those who reject their meeting with God, that is, that they will be raised again and they will be presented to Allah for presenting their case for question answers by God in them. This is what they deny. So, what if Sa reaches them Baqtatan? And the Sa, according to these ulama, has not yet come. So all these people who are challenged by the Quran that you will know it when it will come suddenly, do they go scot-free? And no one can bear witness that yes, there is Sa. So read this verse again and you will understand that it applies to everybody's death. Without their dying, they will not be able to witness the Sa which will happen in the hereafter. So Baqtatan is something which relates to this life. From there, that appearance Baqtatan, they cannot go back. That is the hour of their death. So the challenge is very clear. Do the people await that moment when the hour will strike and they will have to pass away? Then they will not be able to go back. And that is the time when they will see that liqa ma'allah was a certainty. It was not just, it was a hollow warning to them. It had to be. And this is what, according to the Holy Quran, happens to everyone who is about to die. Then he realizes that he is going to be presented to Allah. Then even he sees the angels of death extracting his life out of him. So all this refers to as-saa, which everyone on earth witnesses.